Steve Hunter here with the Basement Repair Warehouse. The rainy season is upon us, so today we're going to talk about sump basins, sump pumps, check valves, and also pre-plumbed sump units. So what I've got in front of me here today is an 18 by 22, 20-gallon sump basin. And this sump basin has a bolt-down lid. And then it's got porting for your electric line and for your discharge line for your sump. We have a 1/2 horsepower stainless steel submersible sump pump. It's got ball bearings, American made. This is a good unit. And we have an 1¼ to 1.5 inch check valve. Here is a Simplex pre-plumbed unit. This unit comes with a bolt-down lid, a sight glass, a built-in drain at the top, and then we have our porting for our discharge line, and then for our electric service coming out of the top of that. This is also an 18 by 22, and it's a 20-gallon unit with a pre-plumbed 1/2 horsepower sump and a check valve inside the unit. This actually will save you time in the field when you're going to install. Now the good thing about our basins is they're all perforated or pre-drilled. So again, that's going to save you time in the field as well. Plus it's also going to allow any of that groundwater from underneath the floor to permeate into the unit and discharge out. And now for the ultimate pre-plumbed sump basin. We have a duplex unit here. What that means is we have 2 1/2 horsepower sumps that are pre-plumbed in this basin. This is a 24 by 24 basin. It will hold exactly 45 gallons of water. The basin again has the 2 pre-plumbed 1/2 horsepower units. They come back and will tee up at the top. And then we have all of our wiring that will come up. So we have wirings for our floats, and then also what's going to plug into the GFI circuit for this unit here. This is a great unit to use when you have a high water table in an area where you don't want to put, say, 2 sump pumps. You can actually put 1 complete unit in. It'll have the 2 pumps in it. It'll be able to control the water volume and also save your customer money. It'll save you money too. Now this is a little bigger and a little more to install, but the labor savings from having to install 2 of these units on a project is going to be a lot less than 1 bigger unit here. The Basement Repair Warehouse also has a variety of different lid configurations for your sump basins. We have slotted units, we have bolt-down units, and we also have a radon dome lid. This radon dome lid will actually fit all of the sump basins here. It's a multi-part unit. You have your base piece here. This will actually, you will caulk this and bolt this down to the floor using Tap-Ons. Then you have your inner lid that bolts to it. You have your different portings here, different lids that go on that to have that tight seal. At the Basement Repair Warehouse, we can supply you with all your basement repair needs, from sump basins, 7-year warranties on submersible sump pumps, antimicrobial moisture barriers, wall anchors, knowledge, and more. Plus, we'll show you how you can cash flow 3 times in a week, save 66% on labor, and put more money back into your pocket than the current system you're using. Give us a call at the Basement Repair Warehouse or go online and find all these products to serve your needs.